Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. It is after dinner. It is like 7:15 and my house is absolutely trashed. Tonight was a football night and I've been busy doing different projects and working and all that stuff today, and my house looks like a bomb went off. So we are gonna do a clean with me after dark. The kids are getting in the shower, then they're brushing their teeth, and they are reading for like 10 minutes, and then they are off to bed. Let me show you the disaster that my house is in right now. Kids had McDonald's for dinner. Gross. I know, don't judge. Oh, I have to switch it, hold on. Okay, sorry, I had to change the shower over for Leighton. Anyway, we have to get rid of all this recycling. The kids were coloring after school and we left in kind of a rush. So everything's just, school stuff's everywhere. We've got junk on the floor. Living room's not bad. Kitchen looks like a bomb went off. We've got stuff everywhere. We've got laundry to do. We've got laundry on the floor. We've got school stuff to go through. We've got lunch boxes. Macy needs to go out. Come on, Mace. Go ahead. My plants need to come in. Macy, go. Which, I had these little bugs in them. My sister told me to put cinnamon on there and then put them outside and the bugs would go away, and she was absolutely right. The bugs all went away. Well, it was outside, so. I also need to put the cover on the table out here and put the cushions away. So I'm gonna do that while Macy's outside going pee.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you wanted me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching.
Right, so now that the laundry is done, well, switched over. I'm not gonna fold it tonight. The house is all cleaned up. Everything is vacuumed. I'm also working on another video, which is down here, organizing this mess. So I'm doing a few things while I waited for the laundry to be ready to be switched over. So, but the house is looking good. All of the trashes are emptied and all of that because tomorrow is trash day. And it looks so much better in here. I just have the kids' lunch boxes here and my water cup that I need to fill up. But the counters are clean. I found a couple of water bottles after I already started the dishwasher, so counters are clean, everything's wiped off. Hi, Mace. And the dining room, living room, everything is cleaned, and Austin actually cleaned the bathroom. I cleaned the bathrooms today, but Austin was very proud of himself that he cleaned up his own toothpaste out of the sink, so well, I'll take it as a win. Whew! I just like swallowed the wrong way, and now my face is all red. Do you guys do that? I do it all the time. And I hate doing it when I'm out in public and you do that, and then everyone looks at you like you got the Rona. And I'm like, I just swallowed the wrong way. I'm okay. Happens to me all the time. I don't know why, but whew, it is just about 9 o'clock. I'm giving myself 10 more minutes down here to work on all of this disaster, but you'll see that in another video. But thanks for hanging out with me and cleaning and getting all of the house reset, because it looked like a bomb went off because we left in a hurry for football. They got home. It's like there's not enough time in the day, honestly. Like, there's just so much to do, and I have like such bad ADHD, and I start a million little projects, and then I get so overwhelmed because I'm trying to do this and this and this and this and this all at the same time. So it is what it is. But I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me tonight and spending the night with us and getting the house reset. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.